Hey everybody, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at another very cool installed rack that we just finished up. So this is another show control style case. If you may have seen the other ones that we've posted. We made a playlist on those. If you want to check that out, just check the link in the upper right hand corner of your screen. So this one is designed for show control. So as far as integration goes, we handled the Ergotron mount install. So as you can see, this case holds two monitors that the customer is going to supply. In the work surface here, we do have our world famous, LMAB power supply. So what this is a 2U power supply that allows you to turn two banks of lights on, and it also provides a dimmable little light for the work surface. Now you can configure these however you want. Our standard one is 15 watts. You can swap out the power supply internally if you need it to carry more load. If you do want to have more, if you do want to see more info on this particular product, click the right-hand corner of your screen. But anyway, basically what this box is doing is it's an all-in-one box that provides a power supply and switching. So not only does it power the little light, it also provides switches for the rack, which you can see are labeled light bank A and B. That controls the front and the back of the rack as far as lighting goes. So on this particular project, the customer asked for blue lights on the front and red lights on the back. So the idea here is if you're running a show and you need to see something, you know, most theatrical productions do gel their backstage lights blue. Just to keep it, you know, not distracting on side stage if you need to get something in a drawer or something like that. So we did blue lighting on the front and then red lighting on the back, so that if you need to wire anything, which you know, you don't lose your night vision. I'll show you that once we spin the case around. So on the work surface here, we'll pull this out. There is a retractable work surface here. So this work surface locks into place, and to move it in and out, you just grab this little T-handle right here, and that will lock it into various positions. So to close it, we'll just pull our T-handle and retract it back. So looking at the rack section, this is a 14-space rack section that features our normal pre-tapped 10/32 rail. It's a rack, not really anything crazy going on. So let's take a look at the back. So the back of our rack here features a custom door that has vents routed into it, and it's hinged, and it opens up just like that. And then on the back here, you can see the red lighting that illuminates the back portion of the rack. I didn't mention earlier that the case itself is built out of 3/4 inch Baltic birch and finished with black texture coating. It also features all black hardware. All right, if you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Or if you'd like to see a full description on this case, you can check out the link in the description below. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody has a great day.